you're a real man, life tends to cramp your style. You need a truck that meets your demands. Cramp lifestyle. Introducing the 1997 Ford Ranger XLT. This 4-cylinder beast has all the power life may require. With 18 mpg highway, you can spend even more on tobacco. Loaded with luxurious features like air conditioning. Tackle anything like a man. Handle even the toughest roads with ease with optional 250-pound sandbags for added traction. Ford Ranger takes you where life requires. Take on the toughest jobs in terrain, just so long as it doesn't involve rain, snow, ice, or mud. Manufactured to the highest tolerances, Ford Ranger is engineered to last.